starting a Stihl chainsaw, which to this point has completely baffled Ima Hays. So Ima Hays and I'm amazed, and here we go, folks! Woo!
Switch all the way to the bottom. Pull it till it hits. Go up one.
We're supposed... Okay, let's do the trees, can we? I can't believe... This is... Oh... It smells like burnt plastic now. I forgot to mention that the blade is like duller than dirt. But he doesn't know that. Hey, look! Did I mention to you that blade's duller than dirt?
No shit. How about fucking Paul Bunyan?